When we were told we were born about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., he was just another person from a long time ago with a very long name who was supposed to have done great things a long time ago. All that really mattered to us was that we get a day off from school because he existed.
When we started learning about what he did and the things that he said, we realized that in 3rd grade, we'd actually been doing and talking about the same beliefs that Martin Luther King had.
He was a Black Baptist minister from the South who became known around the world because of his work to make life fair and safe for Black people in the South and elsewhere. He was even awarded the Nobel Peace Prize.
We learned that much of what he spoke about into 5 basic categories. He spoke a lot about and worked on what we Jews call keeping the law. Dr. King would have called it making the world a better place. Here's what Dr. King had to say about making the world a better place.
The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy.
Life's most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus.
The time is always right to do what is right. We must use time creatively.
Almost always the creative, dedicated minority has made the world a better place. In 3rd grade this year, we have tried to make the world a better place. We have done this by donating to family table to feed the hungry. Another category that is so important to Dr. King was brotherhood, friendship, understanding, and respect. Among all different kinds of people in the world, he had a lot about to say this too. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character. Never succumb to that temptation of bitterness. We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. We have made all kinds of different ships, but we're in the same boat now.
In 3rd grade this year, we talked about what the world would be like if we didn't care about others. In Eric Mark's class, we discussed how scary the world would be if everyone was like Kehillah, a swimmer after the anarchy, and my brother's keeper. The doctor came to an absurd question.
Share this moment in the lives of one.
words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Never succumb to the temptation of bitterness. Never forget that everything that loses good is evil.
Nothing in all the world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity. A life cannot live.
A man can't ride your back unless it's fed.
This year we began 3rd grade by reading the book The 100 Dresses by Eleanor Estes. In the book, Maddie feels incredibly troubled by the teasing that is happening to an innocent girl named Wanda. Maddie is especially disturbed because the teasing is being organized and continued by her own best friend Penny. Maddie knows she should talk to Penny, but she learns that standing up to your best friend is even harder than standing up to someone who isn't a friend. In the end, Maddie has to make an important decision. Dr. King's words shows that he and the character Maddie have the same idea about what is important.
Dr. King, freedom and justice were connected. You can't take one without the other. They were what Dr. King fought for in his nonviolent line.
Freedom is never given by the oppressor, it must be demanded by the oppressed.
We are not made to justice free, we are made by his will.
The moral arc of the universe bends at the elbow of justice.
Injustice everywhere they fret, injustice everywhere. In 3rd grade, we are learning the weekday on God. One of the report praises God for the justice with compassion. Baruch atah Adonai, melech ohev tzedakah u'mishpat.
Of course, being a Baptist minister, Dr. King's faith was what taught him how to approach life. For him, it was obvious that God wanted all of his children to live in peace, fairness, and freedom. Our scientific power has outrun our spiritual power. We have guided missiles and misguided men.
Faith is always taking the first step, even when you don't see the whole staircase.
We will win our freedom through the sacred heritage of our nation and the eternal will of God are embodied in our echoing demand.
We have waited for more than 340 years for a constitutional and God-given right.
I have a dream that everybody will try to be their nicest. It will make the world a different place because there will be no more world wars, and it will be a nice, calm, peaceful world.
I have a dream that one day we will recycle to make the world a better place and use less plastic bags and cans.
I have a dream that one day people will treat animals just as important as they would treat their own child. My dream is important to me because less animals will be abandoned and they'll all have a better life.
I have a dream that people will stop polluting the waters so that animals can live there peacefully.
I have a dream that no one will point the gun at people. How my dream makes a difference so people can stay safe. I have a dream that everyone will recycle so there's no pollution. And my dream will help the planet because if there's no pollution and everyone recycles, we'll live in a healthy, clean world.
I have a dream that taxes will go down so people can get food, water, and medicine. It helps a lot because people can survive better.
I have a dream that nobody litters and we have a day that everybody helps clean the world. How my dream will make a difference is we will have a clean world and everybody will know how to clean up and they'll know not to litter.
I dream that I will make the world a better place by stopping people from littering. It will make a difference because people will recycle instead of leaving stuff all over the place.
I have a dream that everybody will be in peace. My dream is important because nobody will be mean towards one another and everybody will be kind, friendly, and caring towards one another.
I have a dream that no one will hunt down reptiles and kill them because they belong in the wild and their nature. I think my dream is important because if you go kill all reptiles, it will make other populations too large. Nature would get unbalanced.
I have a dream that people won't litter and they won't put their garbage in the trash. If we do it, we won't be treating the world as a garbage can.
I have a dream that there will be a world of peace for all living things, and it's important to me because there would be no war, or fighting, or guns. I have a dream that people won't cut down as many trees, and it's important because without trees we won't be able to live. The trees give us air.
I have a dream that global warming will be stopped. My dream will make a difference to save penguins and bears from being extinct.
I have a dream that people will love and care about each other. This will make a difference because if nobody fights, then maybe the whole world will become one friendship.
I have a dream that there will be no wars. My dream will be good because then there will be peace in the world.
I have a dream that everyone will be nice to others. Those will make a good difference in the world because then no one will argue.
For us as students of Kehillah Schechter Academy, our Jewish faith teaches us how to coach life. God people's words have affected people worldwide. You Am Ha'od was rare to sing a Roman song called Yeshu Malon. The Ha'od was inspired by Dr. Martin Luther King.
Thank you so much for coming to our assembly this morning. I hope some of these words stick with you. And on Monday, when we're not in school, I hope some of Dr. King's words inspire you to make the world a better place.